As we've been reporting this morning, Ericsson CEO Carl-Henrik Svanberg is headed to BP to become that oil company's chairman. So that means new leadership for Ericsson, a maker of mobile devices and networking equipment. The new CEO will be Hans Vestberg, who has been serving as the company's C.F.O. He will take over on January 1st. But today, Mr. Vestberg joins us from the company headquarters in Stockholm, Sweden, live. Thank you so much for joining us. And Mr. Vestberg, I want to start by asking you, everyone's watching cost cuts in this very tough economic environment. What further cost cut plans do you plan to take, and how soon, in addition to the 10 billion kroner in annual costs that you've budgeted for the second half of 2010?
Thank you very much. I think when it comes to cost adjustments that we're doing, we, as you have mentioned, we had announced a 10 billion cut in the beginning of the year. At the moment, we feel that is the plans that we have. We are not planning any new or having any new that we're launching. However, in this market, you always have continuous planning, and as a CFO, that's half my work to see what risks there are around the corner. But right now, the program that we launched in the beginning of the year is the program that we're executing and not launching anything new.
Okay, now you have a JV on cell phones with Sony. That venture is still posting losses. How long do you expect that to go on for, and how prepared are you to offer any kind of aid to that venture?
I think that one needs to remember the history here. We came in together with Sony with two very broken mobile telephone companies and made a fantastic journey with them. And of course, the last 3-4 quarters, they have been encountering very difficult times due to the handset market as well as the segments that are in. So we are, of course, very supportive as parents. We own 50% and Sony owning their part. We will support them if it's needed with any capital, etc. But at the moment, we have not communicated any capital injection, etc. But if it's needed, we'll be around.
Okay, another question on the broader industry overall. Where do you see the market? Has it bottomed? Is it nearing bottom?
It's a little bit hard to say. We are following it extremely closely in two ways. One, of course, very closely with our customers, talking to as much as we can. Second, we're following all external financial indicators and see what's happening in the world. It's a little bit hard to say, and it's also a little bit different. We are in 180 countries, and it's a little bit different from country to country, both from the competitive point of view, but also from the economical point of view in those countries. So it's hard to draw a conclusion if we're bottom out or not. We're going to see, but we feel that there are different markets, and some are performing well and some are having a tougher time.
Now, consolidation is obviously a big theme in the industry right now, with Nokia Siemens buying some Nortel assets last week. Are you bidding on anything from Nortel?
No, we're not at this stage. I mean, but I think in general you can say that any responsible company in these times need to look into to the market and see what you can do or not. But we have a belief that organic growth is the best, and we have done bolt-on acquisitions. But as a responsible management, you always look into all opportunities.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Hans Vestberg, the new CEO of Ericsson. He was the former CFO.